Hey everyone, welcome to another video on the channel. Today is Wednesday, September 15th, 2021. We're going to be taking another look at Blackberry stock. So before we get started, I have to apologize. I know it's been a few weeks since I've posted a video, but needless to say, I'm back. I'll be posting more videos. And if there's any other stocks you're interested in and would like to discuss or go over, let me know in the comments section. But in any event, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. But let's get right into it with Blackberry. So, we did have a green day for Blackberry, which is always good. We were up about 9 cents for the day. Not a big move, but hey, any green day is welcome. And we could see when we look at the daily chart, we had no real consolidation anywhere. We were just down, then bounced and went down, and bounced and went down, and then we had this nice run up to the end of the day, which, you know, it's good to see at the end of the day, especially as opposed to the beginning of the day. So that was good. We did end up in the green, and basically we haven't. I mean, let's zoom out for a moment, so we could look at the 5-day. We have been just going down, but we have this pattern which has basically been occurring since June, for the past 3 months about, where we have this really strong support around the 966 level, let's say. So we could see we've dropped down. In June we went all the way above $20, but then we went steadily down and hit the 966 and had a bounce, then went down and hit it around that level, I'm estimating, and have had these nice bounces. So that's basically what's happened in the last few days. We went down below 10, and now we've kind of crept up, and now we're back at just over 10. So overall, I mean, the stock hasn't had much crazy movement. We did see that nice little run up where we got to $12, but couldn't hold it, have fallen back down, and now we're back essentially where we've been. So what happens from here? Well, as we've said in the past, what Blackberry really needs is a catalyst, or just some positive news, or the Reddit stocks to start running again, something to, increase volume and get the stock going. And now we do have something coming up next week, which is next Wednesday, September 22nd, after market close. Blackberry will release their earnings for the quarter. If you remember the last time they released earnings, they did have pretty solid earnings. Now, some analysts were still down on it anyway, even though they were basically in line with expectations, and the stock did sell off a little. But as we've seen, it kind of rallied. It's what we were seeing this whole time about kind of going down, but then finding support just below 10 and the 966 level, and coming back. And so I'll be curious to see what their earnings look like. I'll let you know. I'll be doing another video then. But last earnings, well, the business had revenue of $174 million. Great. They had a negative net margin, 61.56. Right. I mean, you could read the article, but this is going to be the next thing. So we'll see what happens next Wednesday. I anticipate Blackberry will kind of just keep doing what it's been doing, in terms of, if it can't hold this $10 range, it'll find support in the mid 9s and then kind of have another little bounce. But earnings will be the next big catalyst, so we'll see how it goes. But in the meantime, let me know what you think. If Blackberry is going to jump, if it's going to fall, if you're selling your shares, if you're holding your shares, if you're buying more shares, and I'll catch you in the next one.